In today's video, we're going to be going over the price elasticity of supply. So this is also known as the PES. So what does PES look at? We're looking at, basically it measures how responsive a firm's production is to a change in price. So if, let's say for example, if prices go up, how much is the firm's production going to change? Are they going to produce a lot more, or are they going to produce only a little bit more? So the way we work it out is to use this equation here, the percentage change of quantity supplied all over the percentage change in the price, and that will give you the PES. So to use an example, let's say the market for apples. So let's say the demand for apples rises in the market, and as a result the price rises from 50p. Because of the increased demand, the price rises from 50p to 60p a kilo, and the supply of apples as a result has to rise to fulfill the extra demand. Okay, but the supplier is able to increase their supply from 1 million to 1,100,000. Okay, so to look at these figures as percentages, so 50p to 60p is 20%, and 1 million to 1.1 million is an additional 10%. If you put those figures into the formula, you get plus 10 at the top because the quantity is at the top, and plus 20 at the bottom for the price, and as a result you will get a PES of plus 0.5. Now, what does the figure actually mean? So first of all, the PES is usually always positive. Okay, so most of the time, probably all the time you calculate this, you're going to end up with a positive number. If you don't, then you've probably done something wrong. And the reason for that is because when the price goes up for a good, supply is probably going to follow that because of the profit incentive of firms. When prices go up in the market, firms are going to want to increase their production so they can make more profit. So we can look at the figures in more detail. When the PES is between 0 and 1, this is called inelastic supply. If the PES is above 1, this is called elastic supply. And if the PES is equal to 1, this is unit elasticity. Okay? So going back to our calculation we made over here, plus 0.5, it was positive as we expect because it's PES, and it's between 0 and 1. So that means the supply of apples in this case was inelastic. So that's the end of the video for today. In our next video, we're going to be looking at the factors of the price elasticity of supply. Please watch that video if you want to know a little bit more.